Are you struggling hard to remember the derivations of physics and chemistry? Don't worry, you can ace the derivations like a pro, and I have 4 strategies for the same. Strategy 1. Understanding the conceptual basis. Yes, instead of mugging up or instead of by hearting things, understanding the concepts makes it better, and it will help you to create the bridge between the steps of the derivation. Strategy 2. Visual and diagrammatic aids. So by using pictorial representations, graphs or flowcharts, you will be able to remember the derivation like a pro. Strategy 3. Practice regularly. So no matter how confident you are, practicing the same derivation regularly and repeatedly will make you a pro. So strategy number 4. Using acronyms or mnemonics. So using acronyms will help you to remember the derivations in the most easiest way possible. That is, picking the first letters or alphabets of the particular steps or derivations and framing your own acronyms can help you ace the derivations like a pro. I hope the tips were useful. Try this and let me know whether now you're able to ace the derivations like a pro.